Most of people, when they start affiliate marketing, they join with the wrong mindset because they want to get rich quick. But affiliate marketing is a real business and you need to take it seriously. Hi, my name is Aziz Issa and thank you so much for joining me. I hope you will find this video super educational and I hope also it will give you more clarity in affiliate marketing. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a broad picture of Dean's Oland's book, The Iceberg Effect. And actually, it's video 1 on 12 that I'm planning to do. So stay tuned. Okay guys, just before we get started, I have a good news for you guys. So it's a bonus package guys, so stay until the end of the video and I will disclose everything. So basically this is Dean Oland's book, The Iceberg Effect. This is how it looks like. We have chapter 1 to chapter 11. So as the introduction and chapter 1 are centered around Dean Oland's life. He started affiliate marketing in 2004 and later, 5 years later, in 2009, he quit his full-time job, his full-time construction job, to go online, to make a full living income online. So right now he's a well-known speaker, online coach, consultant, so you name it. So yes, and this chapter is very interesting because most of the time when we see somebody succeed online, we don't know what are the struggles he went through. We just saw the success. Yeah, this is what happen most of the time. Any person, X, we don't know this guy until something happened in his life, something like he's making a lot of money online, for example. That's where we start knowing that somebody exists, but we forgot about all the struggle this person went through. So it's very interesting so to go through this chapter guys. So and let's see, chapter 2 will be my next video on the same topic, so the success that within. So here it shows that you have the power in you guys. You have the power to change your current situation. You don't have to stay in your current situation. You have the power to change it, especially if you have the right attitude. Sometimes when we start affiliate marketing, we just chasing shiny objects, especially low product, quality product, and we ask for refunds every time, so every time we blame others for our mistakes. So basically we have to take full responsibilities of our mistakes. So that's what I did. I used to buy a lot of products and I was blaming others for my own decisions. I make my own decision to buy and I'm blaming others, so, and I decided not to do that anymore. And I'm happy where I am right now. So let's go quickly, and the chapter 3 is finding your why guys. So I'm very curious to know guys, what is your why? Why do you want to do affiliate marketing? Why do you want to go online business? So basically finding your why is very important, because when things gonna be difficult, you have your why to fill you up and move forward. So we're gonna see that in video 3 on the same topic. So guys, so chapter 4 is life by design. So in this chapter, basically the goal is to design your income goal. Basically, if you have your income goal clear, and you know, you can design an action plan, a daily action plan to tackle that particular goal. Okay, chapter 5. This is one of my favorite, guys. It's very powerful, really, especially if you don't have results, guys, in your online business. You are confused, you know, you don't know where to go, you know. So this is powerful, guys. So by the way, I put the link in the description so you can grab it. The book is free to grab, and you just need to cover a small shipping fee, so wherever you are in the world. So yes, so this is a 4 area of focus. And on the same note, guys, I want to know, you know, what are your 4 area of focus if you have to focus in your business right now. So put it in the description, and we are going to talk and engage about that. So let's go to chapter 6, guys. Chapter 6 is the death of traditional affiliate marketing, guys. So, you know, back in the day, even right now, what we used to do is to do Bing ad, Google ad, you know, and we just we bid on the brand bidding, you know, only one keyword. We do the brand bidding, and you know, we get sales automatically. But now, even though people are still doing that with Bing ad, you know, right now, basically, the money is in the back end of the business. So we'll see that in video 6 for chapter 6, and chapter 7 is a perfect path to 7-figure. So don't miss that video, guys. Chapter 8 is the Iceberg Effect, and I put the link in the description. You can grab it whenever you are ready. It's free to grab. Okay, chapter 9, the multiple stream of income, guys. So here, as you know, if you want, I think, according to me, you know, it's my own opinion. So if you want to make a good living online, you need to have, you know, a recurring income, you know, so some product that will give you money monthly, on monthly basis. Either you work or you don't work, either you sleep, you know, either you are anywhere you are in the world, you know, money is still coming in. So recurring income is powerful. So we're going to see that in video 9 for chapter 9. Chapter 10, guys. What is the most powerful word in affiliate marketing, guys? I really like you guys to engage, you know. Let's talk, let's engage on that particular topic. What is the most powerful word in affiliate marketing? So guys, let's chat on that. So just put in the comments. And chapter 11 will be the ultimate funnel, guys. So don't miss it. And my video number 12 will be obviously on the bonuses. So talking about the bonuses, guys, I will share the one I have for you guys. So what to expect now? So basically, this book is free of charge, completely free, right? The only thing you need to do is to cover the fee for the shipping price, for the shipping, you know. So wherever you are, so if you pay the shipping price, you will get the book, you know, at your place, like I have mine here, guys. So you will receive it in a nice package, and it's all for you. Then now, so after that, you know, so you have the option. You are completely free. You are completely free to take or not. You have the option to take the perfect offer. The offer is already perfect, guys. The perfect offer. You are completely free to take it. And you have the ultimate free system, you know, the QC with coaching, and the quick start challenge, guys. So now, guys, for anyone in US who take this offer, the QC with coaching, you know, I'm offering an MP4 player. So this is for US, so it's an incentive, you know, for US guys. So it's an MP4 player. So for other folks, you know, non-resident in US, don't worry guys, I get you covered. So I'm giving you a personalized action plan for Facebook organic plus 100 engagement posts, you know, so it will quick start your Facebook organic, you know, for free. You know, Facebook organic, it means you know, having you will promote your affiliate products for free, you know, on using some post, you know. So there is some ways to do that, and I will share that in that particular bonus for you guys for non-US resident. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.